Hello, it's Wilhelm. I'm not in my office today because we're going to do something a little bit different. I was out and I found this. This is a pet IQ test. It's a little tray, and you put treats in it, and you're supposed to be able to test how smart your animals are by like their object permanence. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna test my cats individually. I don't think it's going to go well. Hello, sir. Are you ready for your IQ test? You'll get snacks. Does that sound like a fair trade? Okay, cool. So, he's already curious and coming down. And I kept it sealed up because I didn't want the cats to investigate it prior to the test. I didn't want them to figure out how it works. And so I can put treats in here and see if they can figure out how to get into them. So let's get some treats. Do you know what this is? Okay. Yeah, you want some of these? Yum, yum, yum. You coming over here? Come on up. Alrighty. So yeah, you're gonna have to figure out how to get them. Yeah, there's one already in there. Nope. I'm letting you watch me. I'm giving you a... Nope. Nope. Okay. I don't know if this is how we're supposed to do it. Alright, see if you find them. They're in there. They're in there. Nope. No helping yourself. No, it's in there. They're in there. Look, check this out. Yeah, this is going about as well as I thought it would. There. Oh, his nose is dripping. He's drooling. Drips. Help you. It's literally, you can see it. You can literally see it. Rotate it around so you like are pulling it towards you. I'm just putting crumbs in there to give you the idea there's food and there's holes. Look, there's food in that. There's food. Use your toes. What if I just show it to you? You don't believe me now. Look, it's right there. It's right. It's literally uncovered now. Nope, not my finger. Look, that's it. You want that? Oh, it's in there. It didn't disappear. It's literally in plain sight. Okay, you definitely failed this. I love you. Yes, you. You thought it just was your tongue. So you can get it out. Yeah, see, there you go. There's snacks in it. There's more. You gotta do it. Slide it. Okay. There is so much drool and nose drips on this from where he just... Look at what he did. Look at where he licked it. And he just drooled all over it. Yeah, you want to play now? You want some treats? Yeah, there's some in here. He left you some. Yeah, that one he stole. But see, okay, I'm going to show you. Okay, we're going to show you. So this is what we're giving you. You want a treat? It's in there. Yeah, nope. There's more in here too. Like, yeah, use your feet. Don't you look angry at me. Yes, use your feet. Use your feet. Yep. Use your feet. There's literally one like blatantly in the open. Look, there's literally one right there. My special lad. My special boy. Yep, do that. But do it on that, not my fingers. Look. Okay, you got it. Good boy. You got one. All right, you want some more? There's more in there. Yeah, you're the one I had no hopes for. You're actually figuring out better than Carjo. Oh, it's not under there, but you're figuring something out. Yeah? Try this one. Oh, look at you. No, you already got that one out. Try another one. There's one left. Yep, that's it. That's my finger you just bit. Let's see, what else we got? Let's see, that's the one we give Carjo. Yep, that's my finger. You got that one. Oh, look, there's some in there too. Got it? He just shoves his little nose in there. Oh, that one's empty now. Oh, no, that's a spot on the foot. Okay, well. Do you want to try this one that has the fish on it? No? Well, I say you definitely scored higher than Carjo, which is a surprise. Or maybe you're just more highly food motivated. You put it back. You're so cute. What a good boy. It's this one. Yeah. You see how I tap it? No, that's my finger. Do you see it? Her IQ is not high, but it's higher than Carjo's. Oh wow, look, it's out in the open. He's so angry at this one. You got it! Oh no, you dropped it. It's literally right there. Ow. Good job, buddy. Would you like to file a formal complaint against that, sir? I'll give you both some just for being cute. Okay?